Here at Madness in the Mountains, about 8 a.m. and this place is already crazy, man. Rob Jones pulling in the giveaway truck. It's a pretty awesome truck. The way they're doing the raffle was $100 tickets, $200 or 200 tickets. Pretty much just raffling at the end. You have the number, you win the truck. Our booth over here. Mona at the booth hanging out. Rob's Evo 1. A rare car you do not see in the United States often. I want to say at this time there's only about 10 of them in the States. Check out the van. This thing is ridiculous. It's an Eagle Summit van. They also made them in a Mitsubishi trim. But in typical Rob Jones fashion, it's 4G63 swap, which is pretty much just an Evo swap in it. Done a lot of work on this, done the camera work, all the lighting, of course audio on it. The giant trailer decked out with the Snap-on logo. The new Denali. Get this thing going today. It's really starting to fill up. Ashley finally rolls in saying hi.
Hi.
Main Madness in the Mountains trailer here. Also a raffle for this side-by-side. I think tickets are like 10 bucks a piece for that. Raffling off the side-by-side. Registration line, everybody getting registered. Still looking like to be a pretty good turnout. This is kind of food truck row right here. Moni's Willin' and Grillin'. Already a line there. Detailer's booth. More food. What's up, man? Oh, I will be here in a minute. You know that. It's my man Cicada, his food truck. We're gonna hit that up here in a minute.
Pre-order Google Pixel Fold.
Have Cole set up over here.
Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and never fall. Tell them so.
Mountain Mama's Plant Shop, which is also the wife Samantha and her mom. They have a nice little setup going on. A lot of vendors set up down here. What up, Albert? They have all their Audis out. They like punishing themselves working on European vehicles. They like to punish themselves working on those things. Once again, it's just an awesome charity event. Pretty much all the money raised goes right to Ronald McDonald House. Don't know the exact number that it was last year they raised, but I know it's in the thousands. I mean, vendors still getting set up. By noon, pretty much all of this is going to be full of vendors. Show is really popping now. Now that the rain is gone. Chad, the man that puts on the show over here judging vehicles, does a really good job for the community. Awesome car show, great charity. A row of booths right here. Pretty much just LS Turbski. LS Turbski. LS Turbski. What more do you need? Dale's Denali parked here because he ain't walking far. Check out the new Subaru Wilderness Outback. Cole Subaru brought this thing. They just have it parked on this fake rock here to show the flex, which I just think is cool to see an Outback flexing off the ground. Let me get back so we can get a better image of it here. That's pretty cool. Almost floating tire. Really cool Charger Ute. Converted properly. Yes, yes it is. Pretty cool, pretty cool. This place is really starting to fill in. Go check out and see what else is around here. Really want to go over here and check this truck out. Love old flat black, just 60 model truck. Something about, check out this old Chevy. Really cool old truck. LS swap. That's just a really, really cool car. That's a Grand National over here. I always like seeing a big turbo Grand National, actually. That caught my attention. It's pretty cool. You don't see these cars often. Not a car you see often at all. GT500s. Here's a whole row over here. That's a WRX. Cool Infinity. Hey, the smart ones over here bringing their own barbecue. I like that idea. It's a cool old Impala. Love Impalas. I mean, how can you not like them, to be honest? And some more mini trucks to my left. We'll go check those things out too. I love minis. How can you not love them? Really kind of the last of the car guys. They're pretty much the last people that really customize their vehicles, cut them. It's not parts you just buy from a catalog, you know? Andy's Taco here. Cool 31 Ford. Some you don't see often. Used to see them, but for obvious reasons, getting pretty old and you don't see a lot of them anymore. Made it back to the Snap-on booth since Corey's got everything set up. Is Street Camaro, still a factory metal car. This is Corey's Pro Mod Trans Am. It's kind of funny because it was supposed to be just a street build as he was building it, and obviously it is no longer a street build. All fiberglass interior, fiberglass doors, tube front end, turbo big enough to suck in small children. chrome trick flow heads. It's a really awesome deal. The Denali. We just got this thing done, tinted the whole shield on it. Corey's Street Glide. Really nice bike. I like how he built this bike. Pretty much just completely blacked out, on air, extended bags. About the perfect bike just for a streetable street glide where you just start getting a little crazy. Check out Corey's whole tent here. Corey getting everything finished and set up here. Corey got the whole setup. Say hey, Corey. Here at the awards, giving all that away.
He was actually on our
The C10 truck was already given away, but the person that won it was not here. And the way they had it set up was, even if you're not here, you can still win. You didn't have to be present. So there's some May. I know he likes to be on camera. We down here with the dyno rolling out.